Your girl is back for another swatch video, and today I will be swatching and trying out GRWM's Lip Speak. So this is their true matte lipstick, and they sent me their complete shade range. Mamaya, pag-usapan natin yung product information like yung pricing, how much product you'll be getting, etc, etc. But for now, let's head on to the swatch part of this video. So again, they released 10 shades, and the first for this 10 is yung shade na On Wednesdays. By the way, for this swatch video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how the lippies perform on light wash application and on full lip application, so that makikita nyo yung performance ng Lip Speak on different levels of application. So first, again, we have here is yung shade na On Wednesdays. So the shade On Wednesdays is a coral pink with warm undertone. As usual, I'm rating the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. And for the shade On Wednesdays, gusto ko siya occasionally. Yes, occasionally. I really like shades like this. But I find that I would only wear this on certain times na parang when I feel like gusto ko siyang suotin or kaya ko siyang suotin, because it's not the usual kind of shade that I would wear for an everyday lippy, but I am attracted to this shade. I'm just gonna give this 3 over 5. Because 3 lang siya kasi gusto ko siya pero hindi ko din siya magagamit as an everyday lippy. Super bagay ito sa mga mestizas. Sa mga kasing kulay ko, bagay rin to sa atin pero magdedepende talaga siya sa preference mo because it is a little bit vibrant. Next is the shade Soirée, and for Soirée, super duper love this shade upon application. Automatic 5 siya for me. Ang ganda-ganda din talaga. Yung shade na Soirée is a deep neutral pink. And actually, meron siyang twin mamaya, which is, you'll see later on. So, I think yung twin niya is a lighter version of this one. Bagay ito sa mga kasing kulay ko na light morenas hanggang patan morena. Pero deep morena, medyo di lang ako sure kasi baka magiging medyo light wash na ito sa inyo. Baka mag-wash out na yung lips nyo. But definitely sa mga tan morenas to light morenas like me, okay na okay ito. Next shade naman is ayun nga yung kakambal ni Soirée, which is Summer Eloise. And si Summer Eloise naman is a little bit lighter compared sa shade na Soirée. So yung Summer Eloise naman is a medium nude pink with neutral undertone. So if may pagka-medium yung tone ni Summer Eloise, deep naman si Soirée. But yung Summer Eloise actually reminds me so much of Kitsch ng Sunnies Face Fluffmatte from the Pinks collection. And yung shade na yun, guys, sa Fluffmatte ay parati siyang nasusold out as in. So, I think this is a substitute for it or dupe for it kasi mas mura siya kaysa sa Fluffmatte. Yung Fluffmatte is for 445 pesos. Ito, 349.9. So, if gusto nyo yung Kitsch, but gusto niyo mas makamura, na parang same lang naman yung effect and performance, then I recommend this as a dupe na rin, yung Summer Eloise ng GRWM. So obviously, this is gonna be a 5. Super duper love it. That's why it's the lippy that I'm wearing for the talking part of this video. Next naman is we have the shade Cheesecake Supremacy. And yung Cheesecake Supremacy is a muted almond pink. Actually, this one also reminds me a lot of the shade Bunny from the Sunnies Face Fluffmatte, the Pinks collection. So if you also want a dupe of Bunny, then go ahead and get Cheesecake Supremacy. Actually, may pagka-cool tone siya na old rose kind of pink lippy. Yung Summer Eloise, medyo may pagka-cool tone rin siya, but it's obviously much lighter than Cheesecake Supremacy. So, yung Summer Eloise is ma-recommend ko siya sa mga kasing kulay ko na light morenas to mestizas. And then, yung Cheesecake Supremacy is ma-recommend ko din sa mga kasing kulay ko or deeper. Kaya to sa mga tan hanggang mga deep morenas. And for the shade Cheesecake Supremacy, I'm giving it a 5. It's so good. I really like it a lot. The next shade that we have is Margarita, and this is the first shade that I ever tried from this collection. And nung nakita ko kasi siya sa press release nila, as in, when I saw the shade Margarita and in nude taupe, sabi ko, it's me. Like, it's Booya. Okay, the shade is just speaking to me. And I was right. It's an automatic 5 for me. Fell in love when I applied it on my lips. It's so, so good. Next shade naman is She's a 10. But is she? So, yung shade na She's a 10 is a nude brick brown. And I am very particular when it comes to bricks and browns. Bihira lang talaga sa akin ma-fall in love sa mga bricks and browns, and even when you mix it together, it's just hindi talaga ako maganon na shade range. But I find that yung mga shade na to works so well sa mga tan people or deeper. If you feel like yung shade na Margarita washes out on your lips, then this one would definitely work on you. So yung She's a 10 for me is only a 3. So she's a 3 for me because I'm just not attracted to this shade. Alright, next we have is Piña Colada, and Piña Colada is a burnt terracotta. So sometimes yung terracottas for me just doesn't work out, but on rare occasions, they do, and they did on Piña Colada. So yung Piña Colada on me looks like a parang spicy terracotta color, and I'm in love with it. Like, it's, for me, parang older sister naman siya ng On Wednesdays. Yun, parang yung On Wednesdays kasi is such a like fun, pambata na color. And then yung Piña Colada is like the hot, sexy kapatid. She's very independent and corporate, and she's got it all together. She's the big sister that On Wednesdays look up to. That's the vibe that I pick up when I wear the shade Piña Colada, and I love it. I'm feeling it, like it's just speaking to my soul. It's a 5 for me, and I feel like also this is going to be a really good blush shade, so I can't wait to wear this. Next naman, we have the shade Berry Pepper, and Berry Pepper is berry with warm undertone. And I'm gonna give this shade a 3 lang siya for now, but I feel like this is the type of shade na as I keep on wearing it, mas magugustuhan ko siya more and more. It's the kind of love that develops. Wow! Deep! It's the love that develops on this shade. But yung first impression ko sa kanya, mababa lang talaga yung score ko. So that's why I'm just going with my first impression score, which is 3. Pero bagay ito sa mga deep morenas naman. So sa mga deep morenas, this will translate as a fresh pink. Pero sa amin na mga lighter skin tone, medyo deep na talaga siya na pink on us. But for deep morenas, magmumukha lang siyang fresh pink on you that's very perfect and suited for your skin tone. So yung Summer Eloise or Soirée may not be suited for your skin tone, but Berry Pepper will definitely be best suited for you guys. Next we have is main character. And main character nga ba siya? And I would say yes, because I rated it a 5. So yung main character is a rich medium red with blue undertones. And you know, blue undertones na red lippies are really easy to sport, and they are also a good type of red lippies to start with because it optically makes our teeth whiter because of the blue undertones. The next shade naman is yung shade na Femme Fatale, which is also a red lippy in their collection. If beginner ka sa mga red lippies, I recommend that you go for the shade main character. Kasi yung shade na Femme Fatale is just vibrant. It's the vibrant loud sister of main character, and si main character, although she's a vibe, she's very chill. Si main character tsaka si Femme Fatale parang magkapatid din sila, but si main character is the older sister na she's gotten over her wild side, but the remnants of her wild side are still there. lurking in the shadows. And if you trigger it, it will show up. Parang ganun yung backstory ni main character. But, you know, she's very chill now that she's gotten a little bit older. And then si Femme Fatale naman is the red lippy, is the sister, the young sister that's wilding out and living her best life. And she's very loud and out there and wants you to know that she's alive. I'm gonna give it a 5 because this is the shade that I can sport. Preference ko din siya. Alright, now let's break down the product information of GRWM's Lip Speak True Matte Lipstick. So, i-base natin yung product information nila sa press release na binigay nila sa akin. So, yung Lip Speak nila is again a true matte lipstick that is buildable, matte, and lightweight. So it is a lightweight and buildable true matte lipstick that's comfortable on the lips and gives you a rich and vivid color. So 1 is the lowest score or disagree ako. And then 5 naman is super agree. And in the middle, gets yun na yan. For the first claim nila, which is buildable, I agree. I agree definitely na buildable siya. So as you saw kanina, I applied it in different levels of application so that you'll see its performance. So obviously with that test, it is indeed buildable. So it's a 5 for me. Next nila na claim is matte. So matte nga ba siya? Yes, girl, it is indeed matte. So it is a 5 for me. Then third is lightweight, and yes, it is lightweight. Hindi talaga kayo tinitipid with the price na 349 pesos. So this is an introductory price only. For the price, the product contains 3.8 grams and it also has squalane, shea butter, and vitamin E. And then yung product features niya that wala ito sa Fluffmatte, for example, is it has a slanted square tip for precision. So, maganda nga yung application process ko kanina because of this feature sa stick niya. And it's also press to release yung mechanism ng kanyang packaging. It assures you na yung cap niya hindi siya accidentally matatanggal. So, overall, yung Lip Speak is a really good product. Napaka-solid ng release na to, from the shade range to the ingredients and the packaging and the marketing of it is really all well laid out siya by Melayug and the team. So if you want to see more swatch videos and mga reviews ng mga beauty products, again, please do subscribe and turn on that bell button so that you are notified whenever your girl has a new video. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.